It's like 6:45 in the morning. I've been up for a while, but I was literally up before the sun came up. So it's rising over there in the direction. So we're just waiting. Oh, so y'all see this in the distance? We could not see this last night. That over there must be the volcano, because all we could see yesterday was that, and we thought that that was it. Like, we thought this was it because this was the highest thing we could see. That's the volcano. So we're off. We're going to the city. So we're here. We're getting ready to paraglide. And then once the wing is up, trying to get my other cousin to do it. She's refusing. You don't have to go and. That's what scared me. We made it up. This is the cliff that we will be paragliding off of. We came up here in this van. Yeah. Here we are. Oh yeah, it's gonna be calm. That's gonna be us in like a few minutes. That was such a great experience. I don't know what to call it, my pilot, he kept saying, he was like, I'm so glad I chose to ride with you, because I let him do all the tricks. If y'all couldn't tell, we was but right now we're walking to go get something to eat. Oh, look at the market. Nice jewelry. Oh, that's pretty. Look, glittery. To the nature reserve. I can hear the waterfall in the back. It's so pretty. It's a little bridge here. Or is this a river? shaky. It's like 6 in the morning, but you can see the top of the, well, my pilot explained to me yesterday, all of these are volcanoes. So you see the top of the big one over there, but now this one looks even bigger than that one. So we're all packed up now. We are in the van, so we're getting ready to leave beautiful Lake Atitlan. We will embark on our 3-hour journey. So we came from Guatemala City, it was 3 hours, but we're going to Antigua now. So they're like right next to each other. So it's another 3-hour drive, but I will see you guys in Antigua. Bye.